Hello everyone. I want to talk to you about how the knowing doing gap can make you money in 2026. There is a phenomenon referred to as the knowing doing gap. And that phenomenon, if you understand it critically, it is going to make you money in the years ahead. The knowing doing gap refers to the common disconnect where individuals possess knowledge about effective strategies but fail to act on them, often due to procrastination, due to fear or inertia. In 2026, with accelerating economic shifts like AI integration and remote work evolution, exploiting this gap, yours and others can generate substantial income through coaching, product creation, and niche services. Overcoming it personally while helping clients bridge theirs positions you as a high-value guide in a market hungry for results. Personal application of the knowing doing gap for income. Apply the gap to high leverage habits like daily skill building in AI tools or networking, where knowing prompts like use ChatGPT for content really translates to action. In 2026 and beyond, freelancers who act on this, producing AI-generated courses or lead magnets, can charge $5,000 plus per client for implementation packages. As most know the tools but don't deploy them, consistently track progress with simple metrics like weekly output to compound earnings 3 to 5 times over passive knowers. Then monetizing others' gaps. Target professionals stuck in analysis paralysis via online courses, teaching action frameworks such as 7-day challenge, turning financial knowledge, e.g., investing basics into portfolios yielding 10 to 15% returns. Platforms like LinkedIn and TikTok amplify reach. Coaches earning $100,000 plus annually sell accountability membership at $97 per month, capitalizing on the 80% who know budgeting apps but ignore them. Niche in 2026 and beyond trends like crypto trading or side hustle automation, where inaction costs users thousands. These then are the actionable strategies when you want to use the knowing doing gap to make money. The first thing is to audit gaps daily. List 3 known actions, e.g., cold email 10 prospects. Cold email 10 prospects and execute one immediately to build momentum and attract clients, mirroring your discipline. Productize solutions. Create fluff templates or apps enforcing habits priced at $47 to $197, scaling via affiliates who promote to their stock audiences. Then scale with communities. Launch paid masterminds, $497 per quarter for peer enforcement, tapping the knowing doing divide in booming sectors like sustainable investing or gig economy and optimization. So it is a different thing to know how to do something, and it's a different thing to do that very thing. Many people are stuck. They know what they're supposed to do, but they are not doing it. So you can make money by doing those things and even by making people to do what they ought to do. If you have any question or comment for me, drop it in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.